Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm going to replace this front and the back of Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. As you can see, it's in silver color, but I'm going to change this whole phone into black color too. So before we move forward, please go ahead and subscribe my channel so you also press the bell icon so you would know whenever I'm going to post a new video. So let's start. So first we need to remove the back glass of this phone, and then we will proceed further. Seems like there's a plastic in the back. Just remove it. So now you need something sharp to start get in under the glass like this. So I think it's like enough heat to take it off. Make sure you're wearing protective glasses, so these chunk of glasses, they're not gonna get into your eyes, so just be careful. So as you can see, that back has been removed now. So what at this point what we will do, we will remove this wireless charging pad and the motherboard, and then we will put into the new screen. Now you can remove the Touch ID from here. It seems like it's already removed. So now one by one we need to take everything out of this screen. Unplug the battery first of all, and now we can take it off this part. As you can see, this is the logic board, this is the charging port, so we have to take both of the things out of here. And let me show you the new screen, why I am taking out the stuff instead of taking out the screen. As I told you that I'm going to change the color of the screen, so I ordered the screen with the frame, as I always mention in all of my screen replacement videos. So whenever you are going to order anything for your screen replacement in Samsung, order that part with the frame. So this seems like company fitted screen, you won't have any problem later on. So now I'm going to start removing parts one by one. Take this screen jacket out of there. Now we have to take out the logic board. So seems like nothing is holding up the logic board, so let's just take it up. This was one more check over here. So that's it for the logic board. Now we have small tiny parts over here. This one, your front camera, your back camera, no, your earpiece, your front cameras, and they are not hard part to do, so just take them out. And then your battery and your charging port. So your speaker is out, just place it as you pull it out from the other one. Here you go. Now we have to take the earpiece out. Make sure you don't mess it up. So that's it. Take this piece up so you will be able to place your thing here. That's good. Now time to remove this part. Now what we need to do is take out your charging port. So now you need to remove the charging port. Once you're done with that, there's only thing left is your battery. The battery prior to just give it some heat from this side. And then you can use the thin side of this battery prior tool. So put your thing here. That's how you can remove your battery, and I think there is nothing left in this now which we need to remove. Yep, nothing left. So now we need to put all the parts over here in new screen. So what we can do, we can just put our battery back on its place like that. We need to put the charging port back. Try and place everything on its place so we would be good. Don't need to do anything unusual. So like this thing needs to go in its place like that. Put all the screws back on its place. need to put this thing back. This is actually your stereo jack. It's supposed to go here. So everything seems like it's good. So now we need to place the logic board. It's kind of tricky from the down part. It seems like it gets on very good. Need to put these antennas on its place like that. I think these wires supposed to go first down there. Yeah, they already went there. Alright, now we need to put these wires back on their places. One and two. Now this thing needs to go back. So as you can see, the front cameras, earpiece, antenna, battery, everything is on its place. Now display jack is also on its place. So all we need to do is put the battery on. And put the other parts on and try and turn it on. For now, I will just put the charging cable in to see everything is charging. So as you can see, the phone is charging now. So that's all we need to do. And now we have to put all the screws back, and then we will place the back glass on. So as you can see, that phone is charging now. I put the screws back and phone turned on, and which is good. And now I'm going to put the, once it turned on, I was just making sure it's turned on. I will shut it down, put the fingerprint scanner back, Touch ID back, and so just turned it off. Right, it's gonna ask me the code, which I don't remember right now. As you can see that now I put all the screws back. I have to place this Touch ID back on its place. Just make sure you click it. Now I'm going to put the back glass on, which is right here. So all that we need to do is just place it. Once we are done with the placement, we can put some clamps on, so it will take some of its time, and it will be done. So that's how you can replace the front and the back of glass of your Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. So that's it for the day. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will get the notifications. And that's it for the day. Have a good one.